I've been wanting to visit Las Casas ever since college. And today, I finally lived that moment.
From Pasay Terminal, we rode the Genesis bus for around 300 pesos. Then, at Balanga Terminal, we rode a tricycle to our hotel. We stayed in Bataan for 3 days and 2 nights, and on our first night, we stayed here at Grand Peninsula Suites, which we booked from ACUZAR. The next day, we went to Bataan Terminal Complex located beside SM Bataan to ride the bus going to Morong. Then we got off at Friendship Tower. And lastly, from Friendship Tower, we rode a tricycle going to Las Casas. Tip guys, if magko-commute kayo going to Las Casas, don't forget to negotiate with the tricycle driver if pwede na kayong sunduin mula sa Las Casas pabalik sa sakayan ng bus. Don't forget to ask for their contact number para i-text nyo na lang siya or tawagan once tapos na kayo mag-tour kasi walang terminal inside or within the vicinity of Las Casas. Going back, we visited Las Casas for a day tour. Their day tour doesn't require any reservation and is open for walk-ins. Reservations are only applicable if you're going to stay here for a night and book their rooms. To start the day tour, register first at the second floor of Casa, New Manila and pay the day tour fee of 2,500 pesos if you will visit on a weekday and 2,900 pesos if weekends, holidays, or peak dates. In addition to that, we also paid an environmental fee of 40 pesos each. And to get around Las Casas, you can ride their jeepneys for free. Since we arrived at Las Casas in the afternoon, we headed straight to Binondo Hall and had our lunch. Once seated, the staff will approach you and serve you the meal. If you need anything, just kindly raise your hand to call their attention. Note that the staff here could get a little more busy during meal hours, so make sure to sit at areas where they can easily see you. After lunch, we started our viewing tour by visiting Hotel de Oriente. Hotel de Oriente here in Las Casas is a replica of the first luxury hotel in the Philippines. Though the original hotel was destroyed, this building was reconstructed carefully to offer a glimpse of Spanish-Filipino colonial structures. Do you know that Hotel de Oriente was a hotel where Jose Rizal stayed when he came back from Hong Kong? It was located just right off the Binondo Church and it is also one of the few establishments that had a telephone. Malacanang's telephone number was 1 and Hotel de Oriente's was 2. And now, with 3 floors, it has function rooms that can accommodate gatherings. From Hotel de Oriente, we passed through Lola Bashang Bridge and went to Casa Binyan for the guided walking tour. And these are the schedules. This tour walks you through the stories and historical context about the heritage houses. The names of each casas are derived from the original locations before they were relocated and restored, and also from families associated with the houses. They were carefully dismantled and transported from different locations in the Philippines, then reassembled piece by piece using age-old techniques to preserve the historical and architectural integrity of the structures.
Dusty shelves and creaky floors.
This is an example of a Filipino traditional house where aliping sa gigilid walk. They were confined to walk along a narrow passage at the edges of the house.
But found my lips instead of leaves. Leather bound and gilt edged too. Witness what we never knew. Every novel held its breath as love wrote its prologue there. Old bookstore kiss so sweet, pressed between the pages neat. What was fiction now is true in the chapter made by you. Maybe stories fade with age. Maybe ink won't fill the page. But this moment stays so bright, like the first word ever right.
Waves crashing, city lights flashing, no sleep. Saxophone whispers, beats a regular flow deep. Night scenes, time freeze, jazzy breeze cool. Clock ticking, slick mission, city streets cruel. Chill vibes, bass lines hitting soulful. Final crackle, memories grapple, mindful. Script flipping, street wisdom, shadows blend. Jazz loops, heart swoops, truth transcend. Smooth sailing, beats trailing, life's a groove. Echoes playing, sax swaying, find the move. Dream chasing, beats lacing, stars align. Melodies clinging, night swinging, out of time.